Okay, this is our last session, session 3, ideas about multiplication and division are uh, ideas about how multiplication and division are connected or related. Okay, lesson 11. All right. You're gonna need your composition book for this, so go get it. Okay, so here's just a little review. It says write a division equation to represent the groups of apples. Okay, I'll help you get it started. So it's a number divided by a number equals. Okay, go ahead. All right, so let's write a division equation that to represent the groups of apples. Okay, well, I'm going to start with the numbers that I know. How many bags do you see? Three, right? How many apples are right here? Five. Oh, wait a minute. Five. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Huh. So what's my last space that I need to fill in? 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5 because 5 times 3 is 15, right? Could I have done this? Could I have done this? Oh, there's one group has 5 apples. Oh, and then how many bags do I have? I have 3 bags. Could I have done that? Of course I can. So on here on page 247, it says Ed plants the same number of flowers in each pot at the right. So here's what you see, okay? It says write 2 multiplication equations and 2 division equations. Oh, so I'm creating a what again? Remember what was that called? Where I have the same 3 numbers? A fact family. Excellent. Okay. So let's start with the division with the multiplication one. Okay. Okay. How many pots do I have? How many pots? 4. Times how many in each pot? 3. So and then my other multiplication is going to be 3 times 4. Okay. Well, how many flowers altogether? 12. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and obviously 3 times 4 is 12. Now, what would be my division equation? Remember, I got to use the same 3 numbers. Okay, well, hold on. When it comes to my division equation, I need the total first. What's the total flowers? 12. Okay, not this. 3 divided by 4. That's not it. Because I already did this. It was multiplication. Okay? When it comes to a division problem, I need the total. So what's the total number of flowers? Okay? 12. Divided by, well, what's what? Okay, let's do 4 then. 12 divided by 4 is? 3. And what would be my other multiplication equation? 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay? Excellent. Okay, let's look at this problem. It says explain. It says Yasmin, okay, not Jasmine with a J, but a Y, Yasmin, okay, sees 63 divided by something equals 7. There are 63 things in all, and they are divided into groups. There are 7 in each group. Explain how Yasmin can use multiplication to find the number of groups. So change this to a multiplication equation. What would it be? Somebody tell me. What would it be? Just tell me.
7 times 9 is...
Okay, well, do we know what the question mark is? We don't know. So it's 7 times the question mark equals 63. That's how she could find what the question mark is. Okay. And obviously somebody said it. What's a question mark?
9.
9. So if there's seven in each group, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one group. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we keep going until we have 9 groups, right? So the question mark is going to equal 9. So it is going to be 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Okay. So let's analyze this problem. It says Marissa has 4 boxes of markers with 6 markers in each box. She wrote the following equations. All right, let's see. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and 24 divided by 6 equals 4. It says circle the number in each equation that shows the total number of markers. How many markers is she have altogether?
24.
Yeah. And what does it say to do? Circle. So I'm circling all the 24s. That's the total number of markers that she has. Okay. Then it says put a box around the number in each equation that shows the number of groups. Is that the boxes or the markers in each box?
The markers in each box.
So remember, groups is what I put stuff in, right? So what is she putting the markers in?
The box.
A box. So what would be my groups then?
The markers in each box.
The what? The boxes. The boxes are my groups because I'm going to put stuff in the boxes, right? So when it says to put a box around the number in each equation that shows the number of groups, well, how many boxes does she have?
4.
4. So I'm putting a box around the 4s. Okay. Then it says underline the number in each equation that shows the number in each group. 6, because it says that there are 6 markers in each box, right? So you should have something like this. It says on page 248, it says look at the division equation, 15 divided by 5. Okay. Write a multiplication equation you can use to solve this division problem. Use the question as the unknown number. So what would be my multiplication equation for 15 divided by 5 equals question mark? Anybody? Wait. But it's asking me to do this.
5 divided by 2.
It's asking me to write a multiplication equation.
5 times question mark is 15.
Okay, okay, watch. 5 times. Okay, and it says to use the question mark as the unknown number. So 5 times question mark equals 15. Yes, I know the answer is 3, but it doesn't ask you to solve it yet. Then it says draw a model that could help you solve the division problem. Then solve the problem. Okay, well, I know I'm going to have 5 groups, so I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then I'm going to put 1 in each one and keep going until I get 15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, how many in each group? How many in each group? 3. So now I know that 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay. When it asks you for a multiplication equation, okay, I'm just going backwards. Okay. it's the question mark times 5 equals 15. Question mark times 5 equals 15. Or I can go 5 times question mark equals 15. One of those two would work because they're a part of the fact family.